मोल कंसेप्ट में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू नो Gay-Lussac's law. You know all the gas law that we did in class 9. Then you have Gay-Lussac's law. What was Gay-Lussac's law? It gives you a relation when gases react that is entirely based on their volume. It is not based on their molecular number or the number of molecules they have. So it says when gases react, they do so in volume. That bears a whole number ratio to one another and to the product. Like for example, if A reacts with B, it gives you C. So their volumes are in whole number ratio. Fine. What does whole number ratio mean? There will be no fraction or decimal. Fine. Definition is important. Apart from that, the numericals are not that important. Okay. The most important thing is here is Avogadro mole concept. Now, before going to mole concept, let us understand what was Avogadro's law. Avogadro said, under the same condition of temperature, equal volume of all gases contain same number of molecules, which means basically if you have 5 liters of hydrogen and if you have 5 liters of oxygen, both of them will have same number of molecules. Okay. Then you had atomic number, atomic weight and molecular weight. What was molecular weight? The number of time a molecule is heavier than 1 by 12 the weight of carbon C12. Now why do we write carbon C12? Because carbon has 3 isotopes, C12, C13 and C14. C14 is radioactive in nature. Fine. So we use C14 for carbon dating. So we compare it with C13. So number of time it is heavier than C12, 1 by 12 the weight of C12. We say that is the molecular weight. Okay. And the molecular weight is just a ratio. Now if for simplicity purpose we add gram to it. For simplicity purpose we add gram to it. So it is called gram molecular weight. So if definition comes, what is gram molecular weight? Relative molecular weight expressed in gram is called gram molecular weight. Clear? The same definition will apply for relative atomic weight. Now, you have two things. One is number of molecule, is Avogadro's law. Okay? Number two is about weight. And both these comparisons are related to volume. So what we did, we took a standard volume and we say that is 22.4 liters. So when the volume is 22.4 liters, the number of molecule is supposed to be 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. And at this volume, the weight is molecular weight. So, when we talk about 1 mole, it is either 22.4 liters or molecular weight or atomic number of atoms. Number of atoms is Avogadro's number. This number that we have 6 into 023 into 10 to the power 23 is called Avogadro's number. So Avogadro's number is atomic number, number of atoms or number of molecules, as the case may be, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. What is molar volume? 22.4 liters, and then we have molecular weight. So all these three are called 1 mole. When they ask you in weight, it's molecular weight. When they ask you in number of molecules, it's Avogadro's number, and if they say in volume, it is molar volume 22.4 liters. Okay? तो ये तीन चीज क्या है? एटॉमिक ये है 1 मोल है. ठीक है. अब आते हैं एक और इसमें हम लोग को जानना है 2 into vapor density is equal to molecular weight. That is the relation. 2 into vapor density is molecular weight. So we need to remember 4 points. One is molecular weight, Avogadro's number, and molar volume, and relationship between vapor density and molecular weight. Now based on this you will get question. Now another thing that can come is, what is atomicity? The number of atoms present in a molecule is called atomicity. Like for example, NaCl will be 2. Hydrogen gas will be 2. H2. Water will be 3. H2O. Okay? Now, you will get some basic questions. Basic question means very basic. You just need to understand and you need to write them. All you need to remember is 4 things that I told you. Volume, weight, and number, and vapor density. Now, take for example this one. Calculate the mass of 50 cc of carbon monoxide. Now, first what you do is, you write carbon monoxide. Now, this gentleman, carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. So, in total, this is 28 gram. Now, this is the molecular weight of carbon monoxide. Now, 28 gram of carbon monoxide, this is given to us, right? We have been given what? We have been given volume. So, this 28 gram is equal to 22.4 liters, right? So, 22.4 liter is 28 gram. Whatever we need to find out, we keep it on the right side. Whatever is given, we keep it on the left side. Unitary method. So 1 liter will be 28 by 22.4 liters. So 50 gram is equal to 28 by 22.4 liters into 50. Now it is our duty to calculate it. How to calculate now? Remove the decimal first. 28 into 500 divided by 224, 14112. How many times 14 will give you 1112? 14 8 the 14 8 the 14 8 the sir. Right? So 14 is the, cancel it off. 2. So you get 5 into 4. Sorry. 5 into 25. Right? So how much is left? 25 into 5, 125 divided by 2. Now, if you don't want to do long division, what you can always do is, you can divide 6 to the 12, 2 to the 4.5 gram, and that is the answer. Okay. There is some okay, it was 50 cc and not 50 liter. The volume given was 50 cc and not 50 liter. So first convert 22.4 liter into cc. So calculation will be same. All we need to do is 28 into 50, or 22.4 liter ko you can write 22 divide multiplied by 1000. है कि नहीं? 0 0 cancel, and then finally if you calculate, you will end up getting 6.0625. यहाँ भी देखो वही आया था, डेसिमल इधर उधर का प्रॉब्लम. फाइन। अगर इसको भी हम लोग 1000 से कन्वर्ट कर दिए होते तो यू आर गेटिंग द सेम आंसर। क्लियर है? थोड़ा बहुत वी विल टेक अनदर प्रॉब्लम। ये अच्छा नहीं आया, मजा नहीं आया। इसमें लिखा है 0.48 ग्राम ऑफ अ गैस फॉर्म्स 100 cc ऑफ वेपर एट एसटीपी। कैलकुलेट द मॉलिक्यूलर वेट। 0.100 cc is giving how much? 0.48. So 1 cc will give 0.48 divided by 100. So 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters. 0.48 divided by 100 into 1000 का तो सीसी में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं। ठीक है? So that is 0.48 by 100 into 22400। ठीक है, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड देन यू कैन कैलकुलेट 48 4 द ठीक है, you can calculate it will come around 107.52 grams। समझ में आ रहा अर्शी? आपको समझ में आ रहा? इजी है, बस यही चीज है। अगर वेट दिया हुआ तीन क्राइटेरिया है, तीनों में से 2 दिया रहेगा, एक निकालना है, आराम से निकल जाएगा। ठीक है? और इसका एक सेकंड पार्ट में है गैस इक्वेशन। मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला, एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला तो एक पार्ट है उसका, एक पार्ट है केमिकल इक्वेशन में। केमिकल इक्वेशन में भी सेम चीज है, अभी जो कर रहे हैं वही चीज वहां भी करेंगे यूनिटरी मेथड से। 2 चीज दिया रहेगा, एक का वैल्यू दिया रहेगा, दूसरा को निकालना रहेगा, यूनिटरी मेथड से निकाल देंगे। एक एग्जांपल हम आपको दिखा दें। ठीक है? देखिए, क्वेश्चन इज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट plus 2HCl will give you calcium chloride plus पानी plus carbon dioxide। Remember one thing, 1 मोल, 2 मोल, 1 मोल, 1 मोल, 1 मोल, सब 1 मोल है। जिसमें जो दिया रहेगा वो पहले लिख लेंगे हम। इससे 100 ग्राम ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बाइड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कार्बन। कैलकुलेट द वेट ऑफ कैल्शियम क्लोराइड ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम 10 ग्राम ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बाइड। मतलब कैल्शियम कार्बाइड है 10 ग्राम और हमको मालूम करना है कि 10 ग्राम ये रहेगा तो ये भाई साहब कितने होंगे, यही बात है। तो इसका 1 मोल कितना होगा, यहीं जोड़ लेंगे। कैल्शियम इज 40, आई थिंक कैल्शियम इज 40, कार्बन इज 12 प्लस 3 into 16 और कैल्शियम क्लोराइड इज 40 अगेन प्लस 2 into 35.5। ये आपका कितना हो जाएगा 48 प्लस 40, 48 प्लस 40 88, 88 प्लस 10 98। So this is 100 gram and this is 35 to the 70 71, 71 plus 40 111 111। ठीक, हमको निकालना है क्या, कैल्शियम क्लोराइड, है कि नहीं। तो 100 ग्राम gives you 111 ग्राम, 1 ग्राम will give you 111 by 100। 10 gram will give you 111 by 100 into 10. Cancel. You got 11.1 gram. Any problem? Jessica, are you understanding? इजी है. अब इसी में अगर बोल देता फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, बोल ही सकता था. तो देखो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कितना बन रहा, 1 मोल. तो व्हेन कैल्शियम कार्बाइड इज 100 इट इज गिविंग यू 22.4 लीटर्स. अगर 1 होगा तो 22.4 लीटर्स डिवाइडेड बाई 100. 10 रहेगा तो 22.4 लीटर डिवाइडेड बाई 100 इंटू 10, दैट इज 2.24 लीटर्स. बहुत डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर है ये. इसका एक पार्ट है. अब सेकंड पार्ट इसका जो है दैट डील्स विथ मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला एंड एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला.